ni manase enkofo bi na hyase e work tia yen kwago ya hwe Ghana ni Nigeria ai sika ye different
adwin
boda ka Canada ntemu Ghana ni Togo
na so ko Europe ahwe ama yi
just say I don't get
wo mu say ebi ni mo no ma till now omo euro no omo ndi but at least
yeah, just a few
omo can European Union no what I say if you go to I think that's Switzerland omo di sika if you go to Denmark omo di sika most of the Scandinavian if on the
that Euro still works there right
Sweden to omo angazan so
if you do to Euro ko Sweden ko di ho
I don't bet me akos obeti
ma utimi ni sidi Togo
what I say now
ukoto ti
why krana
ukoto ti Togo na we sidi onye
there be onje
adentia
no odere
ebi muso sa profo na so twa 1980 ni nka mum
odere
because me ntiase what you say in the money sika na ye basa kwa kuya sidi kura de ye o uko Zimbabwe o dollar no ukoto kwadu a bag ma
now sidi no etimi cost ro chain most of the
currencies yes Africa
with the exception of the almighty dollar pound and the euro
and
by the aka bi o otimi ti o mu ni o otimi ni o question so
yakoye central food COVID-19 ho asam ye social responsibility tie tena se bia na se di hu nsam kakra eto dwama Ghana for ete so dem na me na sample for dey kan ya no we are not spreading fear we are spreading reality
sure
say no ekosoro asama ni muso say dey yetwamu empem enum say 5,000 empem num won empem num ni akire na say ye wo say antibacho ye sere say baby obi a wo bia no momoden say ensem ampanifo dey atodwa say ye mfa mo ye ho ban free ade na ho no obi bia bekoso adi so ade amaye ye na obi say ai temampotem committee 3 potem wo stadium aye ma aye bobo na me say Cristiano Ronaldo grada
3 stadium ben no
yes park e ko omo boso ball
ne de
wa park no wa yes team 11
nonsense me twem wa because I say I am doer even some of the professional footballers no kwa but nonsense me twem wa na krana na
we dey obi say na ya oduru what say 11 keepers gumu as spectators tum amanfo bo dangweshi kwa kunim dangweshi
Caesar kick
your friend dangweshi na Sulia as well kunim Sulia
obofa ni 90 no
yeah na friend Sulia kwa ku obi o yesa de bibia onyai ade say football ya de bia a very very aggressive sports ye tumrika ya pim obi utimi ka so obi be ball umfa ho nka no
definitely wo be kan obi
na mo ma bre tintesuo na me nim so say enye easy say obesha max ade abobo
ubo 2 minutes after
ka bre easy for you because me krompa me ba be kasa radio so kakra na me take condition mu you do say me I am really suffering
kasa ye bre she wona kasa bre pa
I am really suffering
honestly speaking
enti omunya ebo why na Cristiano Ronaldo kura no waja abo ono waje a word best 5 times kura no osifie and when the music on the bad boy no we ma pass and we am a pass which is about nu na onya bi obebo na nso emraso won tena fie ntino otifie enti ene me ka ho asem wasem papa na me bie phone lines be na manfo so fresh kwa me na tema pe na wo de wahunu ye area ha nyina wo bo but I think say it is hard time the police for kwado ho baji mo mfanyim mo kona se bibi say ekoso a because you see the duty of the police is to protect life and property say brofo ne ye enti say yes mo protect life and for bobo a meti nya corona dia ese say mutimi ko stop yo taxi driver bi ka tem so no kan say tu ni car e police station e report say enkofo bi bobo wa ha and police for ka chen say o ma observe social distancing to do nya no nko I don't know how you are going to I don't know how.
And I say, "Ujina aboni background wa
jao."
Football so social distancing be no.
I will say, akwane fe na wule. O say police for catch and say, "Akofo no ebe observe social distancing to there on hane ho." How do you play soccer observing social distancing?
I wonder.
Kwaku ade we serious man friend yagro. Say see am ne ka say yes say 10 inmates of Ashama police station.
Before getting into the studio and I'm like, really
10 inmates.
What serious?
I'm confused. Police for na nyomu din kita ho nim sa. Ebi wo ko bi de aduane bre wa me so de aduane ko mo bi yourselves da.
Davi.
O kwa se kan wa no hwe.
Eyi achede ne ne ba nye se bi a me de aduane ko mo bi personally.
With the physical food kwa.
but me ye di bia ko pen but eh in bulk
de dey come yeti mo kan nyina no but ebia wo say ye wakura say BTV say ya chiri busuani tumu a mo wofufu anwumre a ye twa bia to basket mu ye de asoa wo na wo de kɔ
and the
cells ho we be ka kura say na make chiri enye prison na make cells
and the me bi da
wo say kwa kura say enkrofo fie na de ye police station no say bia nka wo fie ya we ha ya wo de ha papa yi na ya de no ne de highest police station
afɛ no mo mzana
asa be ma example eti ho na ayifo no tete ho na police for na bo kanta na ebi a 2 bedroom bi ho no ya de enade asie nim I am say be see na BTV police station omunsi emumbuye ensi no state of the act
saying
as I said to me yeah come on it's a police station
you bro for work
state of the art
yeah act
tini de una ba me minim keke me ma no de na be ka art
no tini ho but oma see bam there's no see
state of the art
it's not art
state of the art equipment kwaku everyone say police stations ni be na honko a na no say kaso no say utimi fa kaso akosi amasaman
ko ashalaja ho no de no
police station be so na say how can this be a police station kwa na ho pe be a police barrier na say how can this be a police station kwaku say we movies ni ade na say we abroad police station na e say na nya kakraka bia but e kama they are bricks the police ni say na what dress kura gina ho no e ka say de kwa wo yem behyew na de bi hu wasala ja wo say ho no kwa de say ye de kwa kro wo say de nya yem hihie bia e de betimi a omo be asala ja ho no omutini esi police sikafo e wo omo jisika so that's why they see back kakraka esi ha ono kwa abekandi tesa no hadi omo jisika no munsi police station efe kwa kubinim say frewa salaja wo bu owura kaso anim no Africa so awoko no wo say overhead bi ase okwa no kusi another chance to fa kaso market e yo mu new market simon hona police station isi anya fe police station time anya fe krakra na ho asan popo na so ben aye police station you know and see say me kase obi onam obi anim de
Mr. Bendan kwaso no so ne area sa this was a football asem ana wokin
on the ball
o say anopa na enumre say boys ball ani
say
eh kuri mu ya so odin
yo ko ball say
ya so odin yo
ah no ko ball blaster na so ko ball den
I wonder
asa mo ja kura chifie o
I wonder
baby jet wa ko say basilica ni mu a say o twene pure water e de omo esini niema it is say wo so ball o ba ko ball den kwa kumamunti say there are other ways to make my exercise without going to the field to play football. Me dem nti say still go yare ko for di agro gwagu.
Be serious o.
I had the record too. Me no na say better say you see 2 cases yaba. And you say fast on your call here. Say you 5,000 plus.
And counting.
We are still counting.
Yeah.
And kwaku police station case wo mu say test no kwa na say dan test do because we omo demo ya the force ya tete om kenke o that because kwaku nya boko sa
put say we gratis request
we would say police station we bibi dey cause so random mo fo mo we it is a tent mu o test ya yesu ya say don't go police station radio station is cry my look at me say kana na start say radio station compose radio station yeah what you say what the flag see mo anye owie multimedia no ko grief we ho ofa sample na won kan hwe ansa what you say because we say police phone be aye den I can say on authority say aye den police phone be super test positive
Saki _ Kojo o say na your birthday o asesewa so we are wishing you a happy birthday and precious MFA I say please wish my madam Mrs. Joyce Crab a happy birthday for me. I just did.
Kwaku, it's said me can we want that cells. O me email to mo da ho. And yes we have to twin kohwe. Ya twin kohwe no emu edu. Ya nya se ya twin do sa akra I think say 90 fa henfa. Ya fa bebre sa. Kwaku, and so ya nyemu emakoma ko 10. A mo ye positive.
Charlie.
A police for then I say police form was say obia so no ekudem.
Somebody said yeah.
Ya form dey na emum emaye. I say what throw was in results so what you say ya form so samples na say so can say hospital be a atimota na make a tell you omo e ton aduane ya de we ko test ye no na ebi wom etikwaku ya de no anya better sa even we cannot even rely on the figures we are having because a lot of people have not been tested as I sit here I have not been tested kwaku have not been tested Papa Bills
me catch you
bia we dey go show if you test you there me dey self quarantine na my test dey me nye
ti ka account there
sister ya test one 0 a computer man ya test o Africa Rasta no test enti kwaku my friend ya agro dey ye dey betima say be boy ho ban by wearing nose mask no ye wore yansa under running water kwaku ti dem cannot ase
yeah materials
and afei e de be social distancing na kwaku me hu ayi bi a omo be de chase ka sport for enya adwuma ba me
me so ma tete ane ade a say omo send letters bi say omo nyena omo bars omo mam krofo ba omo observe social distancing ne ade masa
ento mo nsi
obi oba be no mo sa de no nya kakra nya komu ye fi okono social distancing hwe amanfo mbro ye kwa no social distancing won fan ye hwi
ba kwaku ande on be bia mu mie de kire se etimi ko market o kana hyidia ana kiyentimi ko ba nkoto bia ba ko no
o masa jai eti ade na so bia ba ko na ade na so ntimi enum wo fie
asama
ade na yes nye the same thing
kwaku bia no mo fie nye the same the feelings not the same
you see o ye di suban we sa na ye di sa na ye de kan
chi o anokra ba ko pe anokra ba bi wa uhia say whether no I say 7:30 8:30 na wonu na small girls say o ba ho omu bi asa na wo de bo bia ne so
we suban we et say boy ya owu ya o hye condom pepe
kwaku na o say ye wonyu bi what say kwaku ayi bisake da nyu brode na ye tu nya
enti enum ben na untimi emmo wo fie na said the aya wo video ya
geometry yan fa no geometry yan fa no bia
brother untimi mo wo fie na wo fa no mo bia na wo
mo ka nya ntenya yare we ne ba ya bia ba kofo no ese mo num nya na mo de enkomo taase but say media how no me person
mabrego
I don't want to dwell on the story because that's me two different ones. Ebi say ye bie, ebi say ye mie ye. You said awie so mo frɛ obi wo adom ha say wan be chechem say wo I think say o ma bie. But me
also say me say so mo issue letters but me almost on the boy chiti me train na ma hwɛ de be kwa because I'm sure say by 6 p.m. Kasio bono no the details ni na be ba
me say they should do it but with social distance and all other protocols observed. What you say? And as to some be observing no, I have no problem no.
That is my problem because young cotton saying you create no. Kwame social distancing normal practicing the same.
But it will interest you to know, say some of the major leagues in the world, amid the coronavirus pandemic, they are still going to start football.
As this weekend, say Bundesliga, about there, the main guy. Say, happy promo because they. Wouldn't say
nobody should rush to start football
because wouldn't say why Germany walk no omo ye ya ma enkola eco school kindergarten for near there eco school
later they have to return
I feel omo ye na fe enkola ne de ade ne say ba fie ni ade e no omo science yen kan mu dem bim na fe de ban say na fe de board there and now omo be ma players ne kwa na akobo spectators say ma me hwa na say
mama cost still out with social distancing
oh massa you
protocols observed
I see it say it's too early,
it's premature.
Yeah, it's almost Tom Boas kakra. It's almost Tom Boas kakra. Here there na eje. Here na
kwaku hwe player bi wo wa oti Germany ho sky de man bosomen no enye skekuma ana ball no so yam mosa no it say etimi ye kwaku coronavirus yedim da be ko
but kakra te ano enya ba ato ya wi enti say ana wo ye den a the negative effect on us ne there and now you be experience.
They are only trying to curb the negative effect. The economic effect.
We are den. Even those few countries bia omukra na so mu ndibi no. Omukra na so so nkra ebisa account because den only other countries here den edinsa wo so wo eniema bi ho. And because of this intis and money ni one ade nti eden that those consequences ne there you be feel it enya ba wi a mo me ento ye boas na yentimi prepare na bibia nye okay man na you say now when we bounce back bibia da na kon pepepe anko you say na you know the burden the pressure they are bringing na financially ni ade na no say yesan prepare ho ekotisim na esan ba ginsem na esan ebie mu a ebe ye worse than anka ya anya kranka ebe so ati de me patch no
because e bia buy de bia engineer bia sorry so na e bia wedding ni funeral no e bia ni nyane be mo ye di kakra be 2 months as yen san check it how na ye ni be ba no
about 10,000
but pom
Ese to was it. Ese to was it. Was actually very hard.
Final one on COVID-19 before I go. You said there are other less you be a young shadan can was some symptoms in the war. Yan shada and can was some be brave. Who's a man some of the nipa be brain cano and I am pese me can was a man 40 years here. You say a year diarrhea. Diarrhea.
Yeah.
And fear. And a boy a phone yano. Corona not to me yes had no.
But unim say.
Me can say be at so be a trying to another corona dear.
Unim say. Ade we kura yi no etoda me da ho a me nko a me da ho adinya metimi dwen
ya kire wo da no
na kuru yi
eni ho da
dabiti na no ada yi a yade ekeka bai me kai pa me refi country ko na me wona videos started by from Wuhan ne ade no what if you like go back you go to most of the let's search corona cases like in Wuhan neshe images na ebe pop up aba no and then some of the few videos about out no I actually said it no won omo those who are infected no obekọ hwe onipa anim obi okura nani ase ne hwemu na akura no na fluid bi ni ade ebi ni mo okura you could see blood from their nose
like the pink eye
na obi also onamo a say why dehydrated bi na watwahwe nkofo twatwahwe ni ade o but I say the ade by here say obi okura so positive ogina okwa to say he looks healthier than you oh I had the ya omonye na me hu obi a ne de no sa critical one bia onipa ye ya say just say na say that no more obi anka ni na
aya akwa do nation we dey akwa ai center
o dey tie ni na wo gba kire a omso omuni critical condition oh mamia ofre o near there from the US also ni osi obi wa onamo an obi friend please oxygen I can't breathe I can't but yeah had ye oh and yeah na me dwen wa na e ma dwen style visa
rashes and blood clots rashes so gugu na say moja no aboboto awon so etimi corona no so etimi ayesa and afi so bi o na ne nanso ano ahun yesi bia wa sesu o nanso na ye mpompo bi sa no and so corona na
nanso aye pompo na say constant shoe wearing timi mai ho no
swelling shoe yeah but now so mu say ona no e ho na poso no so ya akoma ayare fo ayarasabia fo no afi dizziness wo ho no wani so brew nkasa ni subri bia e corona de but esa to so bia wonta enta nya wasa na ta yesa ko na ko ayarasabia na yempe wonhwe afi yesi eye loss of appetite it so kon na duane kra afi so kwa de kra obi yesi de obi atan ha wonko ade wonte o smell kra no photo aba
nti wonti mi anya ibi say de obi akaze bi obi chikosu ha age akra
studio ha chikosu
da bi na o de kan kosu de wo chi a e obvious e giba bia mo bi ase ye na ete ye nyare enso obi betimi ayuframa so
ene ma ye betimi aye wo ha na meka
da bi tie ya na meka de okan ye te hei wo betimi ayuframa sisi as wan hwe amente wan hwe ai haira wanti
and I just say so ko check up
oh there be wa
say baby
wo betimi ayu nko a wo yi wa de no wo be enjoy wa de wo ko na wu wa uru say e bi timi ba
yeah
cool ba ko su ya de obi e so o chi go su ya sisi a obi e
and e feel semi detached and ba ko su de wo ye wa ha utimi de ja ko still ah na mo handa so enjoy
where you from on the go
I need to come no o ye pa no I fast akwa back seat wo so mo ku anim ho so what jump disease ba no I feel your test no and it's on affect and I face speech kwa ku say the bia kasa fine
speech
I thought the bia na kasa ne kekamu a ko check e bit my corona ka symptoms na but I am time kan wasem bebre
say speech kra de ayi fo ikra no say stroke ayi fo e be cry no so etimi affect sa na ya na fe o kasa say na mko
but my boss akwa aba na ma say boss
ko run on oko we ne hoye
yeah
okay
yeah
na
research be na oron
well when any research you say less known symptoms of corona
I say
sir
sana minim doctor kra utuna nafo na anoma na be kan see ni dawa
o say ye bia ni bi wo ha e boy immune system e no me
so also no ba be gina ho akasa nye na dwen science
and
who's a doctor for no na ahye ni kutupa
and you see the word kutupa mo bompani there be tresas I want to sign kutupa there be
omo na etu ne fo
kutupa there mentia
say omra me kan chezi ni dawa
but you know so when say you say na no me wrong dawa
do ade mo aso ye wo kaso aside we e for say PCC
one this
Pentecost say ni nipa bi guada ni enkosire mkofa dawa mere wo mo
dem so on ka say dawa ne say one ka say ya no one ka say o
la we
udi adibo no otimo
ese ko say the contomere boy dey odu
papa ka say
o ka contomere so
o ka contomere ka o say boy ma build a strong immune system one ka say esa COVID-19 o
they say one in strong immune system okruma sisi ya ka say
ase na hia bi
o yare na chi om ni hia che ye
wo so a wo
eti contomere say o matwa komo
o mo enyo om de enyo om awie ba wo wunya bi no wo na esa build a strong immune system
Ghana Health Service wo no ye kwa bobloji koto contomere wa hu so ma ba ho abeto bi so om de komo mo yare ene da wada we ya
ada omo de kosa yare da ye de kosa yare
science for no me ni o mampani a ka next Sunday me be kasa we say me tie mo futu a che but na no ade ya mo be kan ye
da wada we mo de be shame
o ba da na fa na me shede nim na ba kwasem sa ho na me shede nim na ba kwasem
ye pe me man kongre mtwa nim tri
onim se de tie
upra no pa wi
da wada wa no
da wada wa te se dempu
na me shede nim na ba kwasem sa ho
da wada wa
na no ade ya na utimi de ye bibia utimi de ye
om de ron yama bibiri I think say
abomuni ade
okosu kra no
ni na utimi de ron utimi de
efisrem da wada ni fisrem
do you know da wada so I how dibi
asrem ni be ni
how is it
srem ni bia ni da wada
born around us ano born around us ano
on born setting kalo unim tinkalo
eti we are
plant
no it's not it looks like seed be
seed ni abobo
eti we are ron kakra de gu ayinimu a
ebon
na chese ewo scent
enti abon
o se no so etimi bua kosu anopa tina na wan
da ne bua kosu ano na nka ho and the one out dey ka ho na do kan wan kasa ayi
na se nye na ye ni me da dada na nu na be kan bi
na da ba e
da bi o na se
we kura no se next time bia na man ba ku ba be kasa bia me sure so be kasa ti da wada no
Mario eh
ba ku yi Facebook
don't you pronounce it
o ko Facebook wa
o ba pe o ba kasa re bu o man ya da wada ne ne
we ba ga na fuadi
asema bane yenka e mo ase da minority fu kura 1 year press conference
e fa da sasa wakana no kra wo mutiti ni kwa ya press conference and open you camp minority aseme there ye rura allocated corps afraid you say
me ofene my friend na wamfa
there be say odi ne boshe no so say on kasa bi
there was interviews you obey o wo fie na friend no be kasa na pass over be platform say no first no ba ha no okwa sempa copies ni there and they were jai na na sem nyina ne say akwai say nam ne so ama ne party a wodom no omo pese omo boycott star station e dia o ma ne nam ne so opani a
ba so say my pani be so dai o so opani be so dai
watch dai no
watch o eno ni main point no watch I say
go no kasa ye na twen asa na dai ne ba be ka ho
da bi but dai no na aka na chi because who say opani o ti say be be you asutire wo dai hu say na say when this one
some of just space abeka
some of just space
na some man na da bia na o just space
man you free mu for omo ye picture bia no wo heaven and all kon yana space nso no say that video the space ko here
o say
onyan koduru no wan ansa ne oduru
e bia onim de beto no kwan mu na wa hunu hwi okwan mu
oduru na yesu hu na no atem let there be sight no yi stress no
e go the chance enema miensa omo no started politics 1970s ni bi afrefre no 24 ana fei so ono so hu say onam na no ko aso na sa de ne ba ompe na fe finally kra no wopani ebe pie ne dayem se na ya obi nim konkrofo dayem no ko ebe ka che ne se na de ka che na kasa de wan fan tudwa asema
se eno no so opani abe so da ka che nze eye ontwa so ntena fie nti se obetwa so atena fie die no ano
de se won hotel ho na so o
apa
enya ba bi o wa
no contractor o alote old time contractor onye ni part o I just say, or share politics, man, yeah, and I'm the so many years.
I know 1970s. Osibo ele kwale me come nyase no.
Aya.
Nkofo is a communication nipa.
Oh, so on 31 so 30.
A small boy.
Which and be 12 years.
Yeah, una onim. Nti say why say
you the one account there be quoted.
They say why say ayi allocate every politics mu am allocate agotena fie. Allocate.
Ono na yi no.
Dabi. Bibi akoka na so ayi ni ma ya no. Obi kai communicate no. Communicate
honorable the communicate
communicate my no pese obe hu a
me hwehwe sa akwa no me tin nka che papa
sami je mfin fa communicate my no na alote ye ne politics
sami je na o friend akoya no
nyama no boso manyisi
ya o ma ha bi mu
so ani brass am ana brass on brass am fa communicate my no na o ye ne politics obi anim sa alote de bia no say I think say Tuesdays no ko ha na hands o dey o de ba ha and then wash ne bag kama o tape ka keep asapam ne kase enso na na de ashe kama na waba
tete for da bia asem na o mo pa mo trousers ano
ade ya ne mati na mo
na me kan say da bia asem nti bibia o ye bia o de bi to o da achi
enti na on trouser kaka ba lo tede ya na so do o krimu bia na say o de ba last time o ma biem no na eso papa but e fata no wo so no body
ma communicate mram kakra na enkwani.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Seku Nkrumah. Good morning, Mr. Seku Nkrumah.
Good morning to you.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you on air?
I'm listening to you.
We have to communicate, use some communicate concerning you are against anybody who is trying to subject your father in line with the Dr. Kofi Abu-Fabusia. Your take on that?
I don't understand what you are saying.
Hello?
I don't understand what you are saying, so please try and explain it properly.
What I mean is, I understand yesterday we make some pronouncement at SYZ FM concerning that Dr. Kofi Abu-Fabusia wasn't a visionary person. Hello?
Yes, I'm listening.
We want you to tell us more about Dr. Kofi Abu-Fabusia. The vision.
I'm not too sure I understand what your question is, but if you are asking about what I said on Radio XYZ
and concerning Dr. Kofi Abu-Fabusia,
it was simply a comment on
the comment
what
we make.
The
comment we made concerning Dr. Kofi Abu-Fabusia,
that he was a visionary, and so on. And I'm saying that I don't see how Dr. Buzia or Professor Buzia can be visionary when he stood against the vision of our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Dr. Buzia took over the leadership of the UP after J.D. Dankwa.
Okay. But again, if someone may ask,
he had a vision of African unity, bringing Africans together so that our resources, we can all work to Western or foreign interests that people like Dr. Buzia, which is totally unacceptable. It was during his time that other African nationals were sent away from Ghana, which again is unacceptable and not in the spirit, an African spirit that Nkrumah introduced in Ghana and Africa. So on many
so Mr. Seku Nkrumah,
he cannot be described as man of vision.
Thank you.
Thank you, Major.
Yeah, telephone sao. Yasi nya kwale da so kasa. Asema wo kai odi pe kura so wontia.
Yeah, so.
Sela o da so eka. Kwakuti omwanro eri omko no na wa hu.
Oh, say oba court ni ibu aten we dia.
Naka anko
Kofi kura anko.
Ko den.
Ko wrong we ba ku bia sa no wako.
Ayese wo abrochi na ya bo. No. Ye do ba fie wo. Sika kakra wa pagu dem na wa aka ho.
Ya nipa na woni no wo ni nipa bon.
Oberon ni na afa.
Asesa ni number.
Che. It's serious.
Mami bia. Ni kunu tu kwan. Na otutu ni batin saman na. Mbra. E ma 7 de. Wanye na wanya ya. Ngwa ko fa ya dia be fi hada kuru. Everywhere na be ma na no ha. nya ji zo ma mpa bom ya na bom mpa ya ta mechi onya na adwin so otwa chire ne kwame na
e wo mojo onye nyae
o se ji se ni o de mpa bo ta mechi pastor Gerson Smart chem se na o ron chechire mu bia ano de mpa na minim chechire mu kra na o ron me nim de se na o ron chechire mu bia ne se na che se
corona sense ya na ani pastor on tie na because e ba nsem bebre na
na ayi kwame me wasem bia me pese me yi kaka anye bia no wa ron ensan bi ama wo ho ama won a eye nsan no ho adwuma I send you message at the was say one no more and
some for the damas dabi sa me nsanya dia me sheda pen santi nya cho se betima no ma anyam waseda me wo mu ana se wia no bo na me pese wia no goda no ma sheda ma pe ba ko bi abo asa no benya message bi sa na je se wo obi a wo sheda no no
ana say ifo aba ha ba hwe nkrofo o mo junction so
go for me and Crawford Bay.
Yeah, more petty for you.
I'm away from Dashing Benson.
Say, my you are no text message.
Mijina Sura, who say, when you create me,
Shanika,
me and I may tell you a quiet party with you. That I look down my.
What talk is Yakas?
I'm the quiet party with you.
Say, but the moon will be the Biakas Yakas.
A moment is going to use to be a get right. And you know what they
say. My you are one nya text message pin won ko hwa a che say this is Casapreco near the end we want to thank you for your patronage and then ati ujina ohwa din o say e ba ne say like
but they sell all that stuff apart from alcohol
o da bi say ne nsa no omo nsa no ne ho asem na woni ne kan na oni man ko no
da bi
adamfu ya
adamfu de way
adamfu very ya and then I mean some information.
I only pay the say,
and then I mean, and I'm business. Eric, inti ampa say, sir. Adobe a crowd knows on all crowd say, Abia, boutique say, no crowd, no crowd, and some for the number. I say, you got toy and number, and no Jonas or say, or to say, Unia winner or didn't number command for Debbie a Sammy Gozo. Also him wa utimde
also spend gozo
but ade no so say o patronize pa ne ade a je say why anti na mpese me hu say anye bia no also de because am time hu say da ne da nyina
ye hu say ye me try Germany kakra ono so what do ono say yensu say what do ono say yensu ntino na bia na na ya de yensu be bag na de wo mu ana wo so ne ba sa na ma je ba ko abo enye gidigidi sa Floyd Mayweather or the chess a man for say or be some a jay ye wo ye bia san ba be bokutuku also when he does had so de you wani is as a kutuku but enye easy anya me abo na wabo kodu samre ya otimi a pet se bonyina wato nim se the pet ba ko yo sebo
say you no kwan you no the first person
you ba kunya bia pet
me de osebo ko pet side
kwa kunya bia pet
sure
me wada ne sebo na wo so obi de ne bana che
o de akada ko be ya na di ne da TV so
nyina obi ahwe
be ya na da so
ebi efe
obi ato
ayi ebi efe pa o
efe pa say ya mo mfa hwehwe
ebi efe
na pin wi le tua ora
I'm not ring my bell no
I didn't hear me slow
I say obi anyi infinity so no me we da be sa be na ring mu biem asa o sa be bokuturuku
okay
agora ye di a points wo ti no de anya agro papa da bo ti sa ansa na points abade anya dia be ye ti no anya dia wo sa ba biem ti wa wo dia so wa din se obade
abani ebinum tre se ayi corona yi say da bre China for the om de ba Africa no it's some nema ya om de ba na nsheda nye papa
anya na me kan yi ni akwame asem ana me nu kan yi
I say you test enough
eno anya test enough re na me kan me say ti me say corona start by no
and I wo no
images like videos and pictures that we saw yare ne ko bia said ye no ne ade no aha de ye one more bia you mu na ikura gu even when you see them they even look healthier than
symptoms ya na me wura mu na kwa me buboyi unim say say oyere fa phone no check here the same symptoms na
we be
if you free to den
oh me esi so
untimi humi
ani ya mu amwone mabone o mu phone so no
na va say uti
me wa yire no fa me phone am ni problem
uti
I don't know ye
me wa yire no fa me phone am ni problem
dem dey lock da so dey no ya mu lock da mo phone so no
se nkwala no
se fidie echi abo ani sunku ne jazz ene de oyere fa phone ye problem
na me tell you fa phone ye problem ade na wo so
na wo gidi esa na ka so be ye eyi
there be no different thing I do different thing altogether
yeah
where me phone na wo kan
yeah
ani asem na make
there be
kwame obi a so oyire e fa phone na hwe kwa lock na so ene me am phone me an lock na me phone so me no wine me no ni one na so ti ka
so betimi kura ba ye call me dey eye contact me hwe pa na bie
and I'm enti you free so say me dey say lock bi ani so so mu so mu ebe bi
na obi benya kwanya be so phone
enti no ari no obi nya kwanya me so na enti me da me phone na ho
kwaku tie
me da me phone na ho
so phone no ade na wo so enti a untimi fa phone ma wo yere
me dey me nka say me ntimi fa ma no me nka bi enye me na
bibia ni susu mi ntimi fa ma
bibia ni susu fa ma no
me fa ma nya de phone mi to obi usu obi over him dey so ayede
abi ano person oye ode ya call
oni credit anya no aso amani bi
opeto do phone ya call kakra
sana ayede
na okay o show pictures
there pictures
me say me ma mo timi ka so fa phone mo show pictures na me am
omo show pictures
no mo show
en shan kwala sa
it me say me WhatsApp group me WhatsApp now the pono tuma na e ba pene so me delete because in quality me give phone
let's go phone in the reference bi ani so
oh ne ma bia ye hu bia se dan so me ade me pe e new pa say ba be hu new picture e me phone so
unim say
e ma new pa
na me phone no me bam say aya na o hwe
o yusu
nti ono age a ono abe tama me de lock ato so kra na ye no ono a say o ya me nim say de o steady ehwe na ayi ne 1
o go be 3 times obe hu
eti okofa phone na no adi kan bo 1 what 2 da ka no pese ohu ene to aso na wa ya mate fe no no wenti ono atimi ya na obehwe pictures ni videos ni ade na atimi so no bi te say WhatsApp ade ya obetimi di new ade bi abeto so etimi ya na ma delete na say ekọ sa recently deleted folder ni mu na say na onime ho nyina enti last be oji phone na atimi me ya na me clear me empty sa folder no so I feel like phone where daddy, why is it that there's no picture in you recently deleted it? And I was but that place, what are you doing? Oh,
the Bible says you mean ho kwan but
someday me yes exercise
me phone say cry me repair
me aware some repair
and your mom was so papa
the papa are you you know are you a crew what the
oh there be sad the end there
o must is the on time
enya sakra but
there be ono dey koya ya so repair camera no and fast ni ko di obi ho no leak here o ka papa ya na ya ne ya
oh very finidin
kwaku o cha dey odawadawa ni pictures aba say na dawadawa na tie ese seed ni ti say
opani akwa bi send message bi brɛ me say oni ni nipa bi dia yensi na otobo abo no ene ko bo abre wa pusu na abre wa no ebo no twa ni hwe na
o tam de share ne bag mu no nti o say no bisa say nti we no ase kire ne say
na bi dia ba ne say so di abre wa na chiko pa na chew amani release sa abo no ma no yes akwa ne nkwa na ye short na be wa o tie bia no
serious o
na right up obi aye obi ani bresem na se no
na obi afi na okoma sedimentary rock
if the stone is a sedimentary rock then whatever she does with it won't work
yes
because sedimentary rock is full of mercury and anti-spiritism if it's igneous rock then start fasting because when God ejected Lucifer from heaven and he was falling he landed on igneous rock in Adam. Igneous rock is very, very dangerous. If it's a metamorphic rock, that one too is very dangerous. I say metamorphic rock there. Then just go and apologize to the woman. Those rocks are very retaliatory. That was what David used to kill Goliath. So act fast.
Asama me kana me exercise and me dem phone na ebonum what you say na nyum na alodi videos ni audios na nkwala no wo ho na phone da ho na me so yes no dining side ho
Where they?
I'm
at sex.
yeah the best we have to be Nicola was
it has a mine in the Nibaya or Conny will be yeah I bet could defend me who banning you know almost sex
ma kwakuti send a yina na pon e wo phone so Fedi Arena
Unia kokuna
na kwa do kwa no
me enyamia
wa
me wey
I say Chelsea for pants no
me koko boy enyamia boy Akwan cross me onzu ji
aso ya go pon so oni ebi ni mo ani ni kra
enyamia
mini de 21 OBS and
Akwan so ni try so de bi say ese di pana omutia kokko mu sa na ya na mu gina mu na so
enya no
we apon
kwa kuta yi boss abi say yi pon yi
na kola ne hwe
me dimli ka fru na me say me be tell phone so ma de enche da te say kwa my set in such a way say e ba me pa na me download
utimi
me hwe pa na ma delete and
how hwe
oh bua
wedding baba
copy to the team
say I didn't be one ba oh ade
and them we team do so
no no quite more dangerous guys say I don't phone
we I better than Kenya me asem de wa enya trabia ho
awofo
team we madada
am de
go adwin baby e feta no e na be absorb sade
ho na observe
ni no can be as I want to
no room for additional already
when na ba so na phone na tro twi no ni nya na say
na say nyom pe no mo atro bi
ni nya na say Emmanuel Boateng
Michael Essien birthday say Chelsea for true
Emmanuel Boateng apprentice bi almost say Barcelona sometime back was a hat trick no ye Ghana ni apprentice na omo de chese dem enene afio say enene mfiem yenu a odi say adwuma ntomo tro de twi mu say enene afe pepepe a Boateng say na so nice say twi no e ko na
omo see Olympics
oli na yesa
so oli there
oli that day
taxi driver extraordinaire and he original boat
okay
in fact on fire gated in Niagara we see a form cry na mistake I say any 3 days and na woda
oh okay
na me ya sam be ron na me refi ya na me refi tenede original boat program ni nyina no eh de the man original boat
me bana ma be bisa mo question bi na mashe
any bisa to na ka ba na ba
enye de sese me ye ne sa ntudi nya ko che
men ye on sani sei
me ye ne sei
ava me wo me
ye ne sei
ya mo adwede
and then me box out e pa cho Airtel Tigo say we are in the season for extra I don't tibo modern
na we are ayi doctors we are bisa makwa me wan
doctors
ye dia ye dia
aja so omusamfa
ye dia ready
all right me
obi ask me if you obola so you want to be mention
na dem asema kan dia na maka
what's the business ni na dem na me frag was kwa me so if you obola so member una o yes aje ni nyina odi
ka nani na emre ye
ka se ko duru
nani na emre so baba
nani brace asa akwa de ye ni bre be nani brace akwa de
ye fear one of the finest areas
I want to ball as we pete
una o kan wa
oi ka wadu tum eti de Edio. If I choose you from Airtel Tigo's big time data extra, I fuse extra, and I say extra unlimited. Say I'll be to extra because it's time for extra. And 2 episode doing she when also be dial *111# now what choose plans is here. Airtel Tigo life is simple. I feel DBS Industries wants to say or buana wet me enya a losing trust see be now the good dinosaur and sana ye den chance yabo a dinosaur the amount. It men fen nuanye in nuano and more berry and chebby breeze our dinosaur we de in the gusmawa 100 years warranty pa na de amount not just say and no a good dinosaur and so a lightweight jemfa weight a good dinosaur now de a chance na boss na bibia so I come at the amount we check on the Sprinters Road ufie so and chebi anu du papa restaurant wait me afre 0240 844-444 no yen cry ha na fe takrade for 050-600-42242 Kumasi for some 050-600-4141 na if you ono as they do ono eko ediama Papa's Pizza ya chese ne ne de baby a wo bia no delivery ɛna order of the day yɛde bɛbrɛ baabi a wo biara wadi afili sɛ ɛyɛ East Legon, North Legon, Dome, Tema, Osu, Spintex, Ring Road baabi a wode frɛ na order wa pizza na open no na yɛmfa Accra's tastiest pizza and mrel baabi a obia ɛne wa wotimi kura ɛyɛ no ɛwɔ phone so ɛno also bɛbɔ magic short code no *844*10# na wa follow prompt no bibia wɔ na yɛde abrɛ na wadi wade ɛnyɛ sa akwan website www.papaspizzaghana.com na wa order out there Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. Edin cry about mixture we no ɛna wonya binom a na ɔne malaria edin kra oni ni asɛm bi abiem scientifically I research mu dopa School of Pharmacy herbal medicine department ɛna ɔmo ayɛ saa research no ɛna ɔmo akɔfa edin cry about mixture de aba malaria tu ase one time wonu mu atu tim ne di waposo yɛ ya na yɛ mu na akra yɛ ya ne ade wo de nom edin cry about mixture hɛ ebe sort it out wo be fisa problem we name na wafa ontoma papa efria na wobenya bi ato e chemical shops awodo ni nemu wo kona na bo ahye ba afi dependable pharmacy wo kanshi no dependable pharmacy wo Madina na na bo ahye ba wo kanshi afi Kings Walk wo ye o kanshi sanso na Repash Ventures and I say Heba enso wo kanshi na Gapson Pharmacy wo Koforidua Hillside Pharmacy wo Kokona Ekus Pharmacy wo Shaman obetimi afre 0248 778899 na do bia onye bia no ye de asomo afem pacho tie jaisu mi bodi na mi bonu miensa jaisu yes stop crying isa say ene di ohia naba ye wo jaisu WNP capsules ho ya na kama with pure natural herbal niema ni akeka bom dia under strict hygienic conditions na wunya bi na ono mo a medical catch say onipa da bia wudidi na wonom na wokɔ na oba no eniema ekɔ mu na nyani na na san besen ebika na no na build up for a long time wana aye problem ama no enti say utimi nom jaisun WMP capsules na ma yemu pass free na sa niema ni na hrim abesen I say wa flash system no wa huru na wa san hya se foforo bo foforo gum na de kɔ wanim sa very 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 important eso bia timide no hwem no ye bie sa so ne black man and black woman booster we a boost to immune system pa ene ya yade abey ma immune system no ho nya ne den pa se be ya eno abeko atia ya wa hodo nyina ma na onso watimi agina brand pa oba jaisu ba clinic ye wo ultra modern machines ye be diagnose you kama hu problems ne ade na bibia ama bibia so atimi atoyi e de ama na wo Ghana na wo UK a na wo yare bi e hawa enei jaisu herbal clinic ene bedi wa kegyina mu UK for momomoden asem be frɛ eye Dr. Shadrack Kwabna Inchiakwa of eye jaisu herbal clinic Regency Court Unit F Milton Keynes eye UK ho ena behunu papa no book appointment with him the number ni +44 744 071 0664 again +44 744 071 0664 na on a doctor a book appointment obaga na house be pm nkran hanso so a betimi afre 0244 529 398 and afre 020 826 3357 yenro no enye suitable for a mofra omo below 15 years dia na machine so sa e de amaye Jaisu Herbal Clinic, the home of natural herbal medicine. Okay, asemo ana me simi bisam ne dia asori so no say ya duka nana o kasa asemi o say na danfo bi na asem ni na say edin a ye de to say wo fa adanfo bi a hwedin e da no so no ye na bisam na edin na asechire na say ana edin na bakwasem ne sen because edin e de to obi no etimi nya nsunsuan so
na ko hia ga ambassador ko fi afele me ko ni din university
no ahwe se ni din na bakwasem ne tesen ya na o say abrante ne di Peter na Peter yi onya akọ na ọkọ job interview na onya akọ say ne girlfriend ne maame ne papa ehwe no dendenden say immediately report to you. And I say okay, once all job interview no, or be far fast. No we job interview no pa. Na wa ba besin akwa tie frɛ no. Na ono ase osusu oni tirim say eye pregnancy na aba. Etina ne girlfriend no. Ma me papa friend no. Cause ono agidi oni redeem say wanyam again no. Enti no anti ne sa de a wo de onko ne job interview ni wie. Okodu baby okọ job interview no. Omo fa ne CV no hwe no mbizan say are you Peter? And I shall call anybody and say no. And I say, are you not Peter? And I say no. And I say, are you sure you are not Peter? And I say no. And I confirm you and says, okay, if you are not Peter there, then yes, we can't have the job interview. It's a one before no DP. The problem now is say, ni CV ne that way, ni din ne waso. On one so na waba for the job interview. So why are you still asking him say on the Peter na? What dey you? Eti no ni buafunu no. Eti say no. Problem ne say. Ni din Peter no. Why exhibit a din nchira ase no ho no sesia because man ankasa na Peter din free over. Sa man no onna odina Yesu 3 times.
Sa Peter.
So what you say? Sa Peter na no. What dey tie? Eti sia no. Edie na chese Peter ekofie we ya osusu se gay nyimi okonom ka eno so on deny
na interview ko deny na
what I say so that's the problem and they say no na chese edin ankasa na deda down crofo so no ehu be hia se etimi bo akire ne hwe se edin na abakwasem pa yi ansa na on sa afo na ye den e delia oni o ma deli nti wo say udin ya papa de 2 yi
na no ya tro konfo ne friend Joseph Manu
Joseph Manu.
Okonfo, no Okonfo. They didn't even found.
Now what the ne?
Me Diana, me di Kwame.
There be near Kwame keke. Sai na yom kan de Kokufo de omo kuyan na Kokufo de Kokufo de. Enso na so nya no kre.
Kokufo ankasa.
Oh ma sa nya no kre. E se mo ma ka Kokufo na nya no kre.
Kokufo bi ro be kita wa Kokufo.
Oh jai. E ni break keke no de titi Kokufo sa no. Omo titi Kokufo sa na bibia na Kokufo de. Be wa Kokufo.
Kokufo nya papa.
Yeni na ate.
Na sisu dua se.
Yeni mo WhatsApp.
Yeni na ate.
Kokufo ni WhatsApp. What I say? Eti no mo ni bring na bibia no me abeso se Kokufo nya Kokufo. It is never true. It's never true.
Family dey say bom za.
O da Kwame for there. Nyanko kwa de Kwame na de na okay.
Oh chia, mo na mo de amana ba.
Kwame chia gifty catering services. I Tottenham. What else here?
Ono aduane o Tottenham.
Oye catering services like oye over so oye party na ma.
Tin Kwame bo na tukwa ho na kwa ko.
Me ko didi wo ho.
Bi anu an ko Tottenham.
There be said me ko yi. I want to be 7 sisters. I want to meet Alice Minta. I want to know. It will be free. The Meda Hotel because
Antina can be bizarre. I'm checking apartment. No, say quantum.
Is it quite to two mammy?
Hey, wow, K and Kobe, justice.